The victim is here and she went up, she's doing an affidavit on prosecution.
Camera down, right down.
Y'all can leave the courtroom. Leave the courtroom.
Go.
Leave the courtroom.
Over.
I did a rejection, but I don't know if you want to just reset it. I don't.
Why don't we do this? Why don't we, if there's a, sir, pay attention here.
Yes, ma'am.
You're Jarrell Lee.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And so, it sounds like there's some information that is coming today,
Right.
from the complaining witness. And so what I'm going to do is reset the case for 2 weeks instead of going through a plea bargain rejection. Give Mr. Smith some time to go through that and see if you want to do something or not, with regard to that. And then we'll come back in 2 weeks and see. All right.
Yes.
You go back with the bailiff.
Fine.
Yeah, I'll delete it. I got it.
I don't want to talk to her. Talk to her in the, just like she could. The shift was, she not.
Again. See, Ms. Delays, are you ready on Ariberto Chavez?
What's
Ms.
the name?
Chavez, Ariberto Chavez. Good morning, ma'am. Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that you will truthfully and accurately translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. How are you?
Excited.
Congratulations, you had
Thank
a graduate I saw.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
Let's talk about that.
With a promising future.
Right, kid.
All right, sir, are you Ariberto Chavez?
Yeah.
Yes.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm. I do. Okay. Yeah. I need the date of it. And if it was just one. Yeah, we'll have to figure out some kind of little, we need maybe a little. Oh, good. Okay, that's good enough. All right, Mr. Chavez, in cause number 25, DCCR 0559, you're charged with a third-degree felony offense of deadly conduct discharging a firearm from May 8th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you with?
Yes.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you sign these, did you go over them with Ms. DeLage with an interpreter?
Yes.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand if I follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney that you'll be waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, that's fine.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Chavez is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Chavez, do you also understand if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
I understand.
All right, then at this time, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of deadly conduct. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 6 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody, that the law gives you the right to receive. I am also making a finding that there was a failure to appear in a bond forfeiture September 16th of 2025. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you.
This is an important legal moment that often gets overlooked. Because Judge West followed the negotiated plea agreement, Chavez gives up most of his rights to appeal. In other words, once this deal is accepted, the window to challenge the outcome becomes extremely limited. Was locking in a guaranteed sentence worth giving up that option?
And so you waived your right to appeal. I also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition.
No poder tener un arma ni poder tener munición bajo la ley de Texas, puede leerlo enfrente y atrás. Si no entiende algo, le puede hacer la pregunta solo.
And the admonishment I handed you is in Spanish. You need to make sure and read it carefully.
Léalo bien.
If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or how long that lasts, you can talk with Ms. Delaney.
Puede hablar con su abogado. Okay.
All right, good luck to you, sir.